Hi, my name is Nicole Prince. I'm a personal trainer and nutrition coach with City Station Fitness. Today, I'm going to show you how to review your Apple Watch workout history in your activity app on your iPhone. And I like to use this to be able to go back and see if maybe I'm improving what I've done over the month. And this is also a handy way for, for my clients to be able to show me their activity over the week if they have decided to up their activity level, so we can change nutrition goals depending on if they're doing more or less during a specific week. So again, this logs a summary to track your progress over time. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open our activity app, which you can see down here on the bottom line of my phone. I'm just going to tap activity, and it's going to open up. It's actually going to show me my workout, what I've done for this specific day. As you can see, I haven't done anything today. But what we're going to do to track our workouts is we're going to come down here on the bottom, and the second button down here at the very bottom where it says workouts, we're going to tap that. So then you're going to see a list of all workouts for June. And all of our workouts are organized by month. This also includes the workouts using your workout app and all of your third-party apps that have recorded workouts to your Apple Health app on your iPhone. Each workout you see is going to be color-coded based on the goal that you set for that specific workout. Also, on the very far left, you'll see these little circles with pictures in them. So the first one you can change what type of workout you're doing is it a high intensity, and then if you go down to where it says strength training, you'll see the little man holding the bar. Down here is a rower, so there's a picture of a rower, so you can tell what type of workout you did. So the ones that show up in green, which all mine are basically open goals, is going to be an open goal. So you just started working out, or you just started running with no specific goal in mind. So if each of these were to show up if one of these showed up in yellow, that would mean you had a goal based on the amount of time you wanted to exercise. So you had a goal of 30 minutes. So those would show up in yellow. Again, the green is open. So if it shows up in red, that means you had a calorie goal. You wanted to burn 250 calories, and those would show up in red. If it showed up in blue, that's going to be a distance goal. So you wanted to go out and run 3 miles. You wanted to bike 12 miles. Those workouts would show up in red. Most of mine are open goals because I'm never really sure how much I'm going to do. So anyway, that's what you see here. So to look at a specific workout, we want to go up here, and you see in the top right-hand corner of your phone, it says all workouts. We're going to tap right there. And then you can see a list of all the different type of workouts that you've done over the month. So if you want to look at a specific type, like we're going to, we'll tap on running right here. Most of my runs are indoor runs. So this is going to show you over each month, sorry about that, how much you ran each day. So right now we're going to tap on a specific workout. We're going to come down here to April and where this outdoor run is. So once you tap on it, you can see all the metrics of your run. You can see what time of day you ran. You can see the active calories and your total calories. The next line is going to be the distance that you ran and the total time that it took you. Next, you're going to see your average heart rate and actually how many steps I don't know what that is, sorry, average cadence. And then you'll see your average pace. My heart rate obviously didn't record that day, but where it says heart rate, you'll see a chart of where your heart rate has gone up and down. And this is helpful to show you how quickly you maybe recovered, how efficient your heart is doing. And then if you're all the way here down at the very bottom, you can see the weather that you had that day. So today it was 81 degrees. And then over here on the left, it says map. So you can actually tap on map right here, and it will show you your run. So the green sections of the run are going to be your fastest pace. The red sections, which is hard to see, this was obviously on a track. The red sections are going to be the slowest part of your run, and yellow is going to be your average pace. So then we're just going to tap up here in the top left-hand corner to go back. And then we're going to go back where it says May. We're going to tap on that. And then go back one more time to 2019. And then you can see each month. And you can see, again, you can see your metrics for that month. So you can see how many runs you did that month. And if you wanted to pick strength training, you could go back and tap in this top right-hand corner. You could see how many strength training workouts you had. But it's going to show you the amount of time you ran for the month, the average for each workout, a total amount of calories you burned running for the month, and then your average. And it's going to show you the total distance you ran over the month, and then your average for each workout, and then your average pace as well. And this is super helpful to see if you're improving, to see if your heart rate's improving, to see if maybe you slacked a little bit in a month or maybe took off a few days. That's also good to do as well. So next, you can just review all your workouts. And again, this is just super helpful for anybody to see how they're doing over time. Average pace is improving, and also to be able to share with others your goals, how much activity you did, share with friends, maybe challenge, and be able to hold each other accountable for what you're doing. I hope this has helped, and hope maybe you learned something in how to review your workouts in your activity app.